So we have, you send 250 text messages in 3 hours. What is the unit rate in texts per hour? First, we have to look at the question, texts per hour. So that means when I set up my unit rate, on the top I need text, the fraction means per, and then on the bottom I need hour. And I need to look at the actual words to figure out what to put in there. So I need how many texts? Well, I have 250 texts and 3 hours. So 3 goes with hours. And then I can go ahead and simplify now. So I need 1 hour because it says how many texts in 1 hour. That means I have to divide by 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I also do to the top. So divide the top by 3. So 250 divided by 3. 3 goes into 2 0 times. So now I look at 25. 3 goes into 25 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract them. I get 1. Bring down my 0. 3 goes into 10 3 times. So that would be 9. Subtract, I get 1. Let's just try one more 0 just for fun. So I have a decimal here, add a 0. Bring it down, I have 10. 3 goes into 10 3 times. So again, I have 9. That means I'm going to have 1. So this would be a 3. So about 83 texts per hour, because 0.3 means I'm not going to round up, so I'm going to leave it right at 83.